just switch the lesson. Actually guys, I'm kidding, this is the beginning of the lesson. By the way, from my previous lesson guys, I was just showing you how to apply discriminant equation to describe the nature of roots. These are the nature of roots. This one, do you see real and rational, unequal, real, rational, unequal. This one, then these real, rational, equal, here non-real. So in this equation guys, okay, here let me just put 12 there. Yeah, so in this lesson guys, what I will be doing there, I will be solving for x, proving you that the first equation there, when I punch this thing there as my quadratic equation, as I punch this thing there on my calculator, you will find out guys there I'll have real, irrational, and equal. So let me just punch with you this thing there, minus, and here it's supposed to be what, 8 plus squared 8, 2 minus by 4, 1, and minus 3 divided by what, by 2 and 1 equal. Do you see guys the answer that I got here? This answer guys, it can be only in decimal there. Let me just write it there, only in decimal, which is here, this thing there, it's what, round off there, it will be 6 there. Then let me try to change this thing there. Even this one guys, it can only be in decimal, it cannot be in a fraction. Do you see guys this thing? So it means that that thing there, it is unequal. We got two roots, but they are not equal. They are unequal guys. Do you see? In rational, it means that they cannot be in a form of a fraction. Even if you can press ST, they cannot be in a form of a fraction. Real, it means that we got the answers there. They exist, by the way. They are real there. Do you see guys this thing? Yeah. Then what about for this one guys? Let me just punch for this one there, which is here it's minus, and here it's 12 plus, and here it's 12 squared minus by 4 and 4 and 9. I hope guys everything I punched them correct there, so that it won't prove my theta machine wrong there. Do you see the answer that I got them? This number, it can be in a okay, let me just say shift ST. Yeah, so it means that I should supposed to get negative 3 over 2 there. Do you see this thing? It can be in a form of a fraction. This one, it can be like this or like that there. It can be in a form of a fraction there. I can, then now if now I put negative, let me just remove that positive there. If I put negative, shift ST. So if guys I put the negative there, I'll got negative 2 over that there. Which is also this thing there. If I press ST, I still got that there. So what does all this thing mean there from the nature of roots? It means that it is real, it exists guys. Those numbers, they exist. Rational, it can be in a form of a fraction if you see that it's rational. Equal, it means that we got the same answers there. They are equal. They can be in a form of a fraction. You see, you can change it like this or like that, but still it is equal, real, it exists there. Then what about for this one guys? Let me punch this one down my calculator. Minus by this one, it's what? This one I think it's negative guys, because that thing it's your B. Minus and plus squared minus this term, minus by 4 and minus by 2 and 6 divided by 2 minus by this term. Do you see that here my first answer is this? And now what about the second answer, which is that it's negative? I got one day. Wonderful answers guys. So these answers guys, these, if you can take a note about them, they are real, meaning that they exist. They are not equal, unequal there. It's negative 3 and 1. Rational guys, they can be in a form of a fraction. If I put invisible 1 there, invisible 1, they become a form of a fraction. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. They are real, they exist. Unequal, they are not the same. rational, they can be in a form of a fraction. Do you see? Cover this one, guys. This one is so interesting. The last one. So here's this one. Let me just punch this thing down my calculator. Condolence. What is the meaning, guys, of condolence? This is what I just think about it, So this is this, and 3 and minus by 4 and 4 and 2 divided by 2 and 4. I hope, guys, everything that I press it correctly there. So now what is the answer? Do you see, guys, here I got undefined, like I got error. What causes all that, guys, to be error? Why? The reason why, guys, that I got here I can just say no solution, or I can write error because there is no solution. Do you see? Yeah. So the reason why, guys, that I got error, because my discriminant, guys, it's negative. All these things, guys, it's negative. When the discriminant is negative, you will get non-real roots, meaning there will be no solution. Inside a square root, you cannot have a negative number. Do you see? So, guys, I hope now you got a fully understanding about this thing there. So my next lesson, guys, I will be only applying this thing and the cheating method. This and the cheating method, this and the cheating method. So thank you, guys, for your time. Yeah, all the best. God bless you. Yeah.